Hi guys, buenos dias, guten tag, hello. I already said English. What else? French. Bonjour. Uh, I was just cruising around on my own website here, on the channel, I should say, and I just realized something, and it sparked something in terms of somebody had mentioned this in the past, and I completely lost track of it. I keep telling people to send me a private message, and then people don't know how to send a private message, and then I tell them to go to my YouTube About page. So if I move a bit, so you can see my About page here, and if you click on it, you can see the About article, and then it says here join date and how many views. But right here there's supposed to be a send a message button. Well, now I know why it's not there. And it tells me something about you, the viewer. If you are not subscribed to my channel, hey, then it won't show. So right now I'm logged in, as you can see. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I think that's showing up here. You can see I'm logged in. So if I want to customize this, obviously I can change settings now, but I can go to the view here, view as a returning subscriber. And there you go, right there. You can click the flag button, you can report me, or you can click the button and you can send me a message. So that's how it's done. So if you cannot see this, you're not subscribed to my channel. So first thing you do is subscribe to my channel, then you can click the button, you can send me a message, and then nobody will read it except for me. I don't see what the big deal is. Lots of people always, they want to know something, but they don't want to post a question publicly in the comments, as if you're using your real name, or that people know your address right away, or you don't have to be scared. Technology isn't as invasive as people may think you or make you believe it is. Okay, sure, with enough info I could probably track you down and see if you, well, whatever, unpaid parking tickets or whatever. But that's what that is how you get a hold of me if you don't have my emails. Also, if you scroll down further, there it is right there, email address, but I prefer that for for other things. But whatever you want to use, fine by me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.
Sorted.